Hello everyone, today I'm going to show in this video tutorial how I got unlimited UFC points on my UFC Mobile 2 game, and I'm going to show you guys step by step in this tutorial how you can download the mod and generate unlimited resources of the game. So make sure you watch this video until the end to understand all the steps you need to follow in order to get the mod and generate unlimited UFC points also. I have to mention to you that the method I find it out, it works for both devices, iOS and Android devices. I'm going to use my iPhone today to show you the steps you need to follow, but the same steps are going to be also for the Android devices, okay? So I'm going to open the game real quick so you can see that everything works and runs perfectly, and then we'll go immediately to show you the steps you need to follow in order to get it also you guys the mod and generate unlimited UFC points, same as I did. Just a few seconds to get connected with the game. So as you can see right over here, I'm having so many of them and I didn't pay nothing for it, guys. So we'll go immediately to show you the steps you need to follow in order to get it also you. So before you start the loading process of the mod, guys, you need to make a checking, which it means you need to go to settings and then to scroll it down till to the battery and make sure that you are not in the lower power mode. So this yellow sign here on the top should be switch off. This it will help you the downloading process of the mod to be faster and smoother, guys. So after completing this checking, you have to get back to the home menu, and then you need to go to Safari or any kind of browser that you use, doesn't matter. You need to search for a website called freeinjex.com. So this is the name of the website, guys, where I find it out the mod. You just need to enter inside of the website, and you're going to face a bunch of other applications inside of the website, a lot of tweaked and modded apps also. Just a few seconds to get connected with the site. As you can see right over here, there are so many of them. I'm scrolling for you. Later on you can check it by yourself. If you want to get any one of them, you can get it without a problem. I will just go on the top to the searching bar to search about the app, because it's very easy to search it by search, so you don't lose time to scroll to find it out where it is, and just write it down, UFC, and here it comes. It will say UFC Mobile 2 mod, get unlimited free UFC points, works on iOS and Android. So all you have to do, guys, you need to press here in the middle and then press the green sign, then load now. You just need to wait a couple of seconds. The loading process of the mod processes from the website to your device, guys. So as you can see, the steps are not so difficult, quite simple and easy. Just make sure you watch the video until the end to understand all the steps you need to follow until the end. I have to mention to you one more time that the mod works also for the Android devices, and for the Android devices are the same steps I'm showing to you in this tutorial with my iPhone. So practically also Android have to do the same steps. Okay, guys, the next step is going to take you to the verification zone, same as it did it to me, and it will require in description to download the complete instructions below in order to unlock UFC Mobile 2 on your device. So in order to unlock the mod, you need to complete the instructions below, which it means you're going to face a couple of apps over here. Most of them, they're very popular, well-known apps, and they're all free. So all you have to do, so how it worked for me practically, after I downloaded two of these two apps, it started to generate the UFC points on my game. So I'm going to show you step by step how I did it, so you don't get confused with everything I said before. For example, I chose iOS social calendar, press on it, tap to install. It will connect automatically with the Apple Store in the case when you're using iOS, and Play Store in the case when you're using Android. So as you can see right now, I got connected with my Apple Store, and to me it shows the sign open because I downloaded before iOS social calendar when I got the mod for myself. To you guys, it will show the sign of downloading, so all you have to do, you need to press download the app. After you download the app, you need to open it for a few seconds. At least 30 seconds is enough time required with information and data processing from the website to your device. So after you complete the first app, got back to the website, did the second app, which is Family Island. If you go back to the website, you'll see iOS social calendar here and Family Island over here. Also with the Family Island, I did the same steps which I did with the iOS social calendar. Press on it, tap to install, will connect automatically with the Apple Store. I download it. So after I downloaded the Family Island, I open it for a few seconds also the game. So after I completed the second step, and the second app practically, he started to generate UFC points on my game. Just one more tip before I leave: when you are in this stage, okay, one more time, when you are in the verification zone over here in this stage, don't get confused, guys. This doesn't mean that you have to do the same apps as I did it, because probably to some of you they will not even show up these apps. They can show up different apps because in different countries can show up different apps. So you don't get stressed why you cannot find iOS social calendar or Family Island, etc. You can try to do anyone that you want, and you find it more easy to do it. Okay, so this is my video tutorial for today, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. And before you leave this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching. Cheers.